Okay, just showing you how to clean the lines on your Brewsky Nitro Fridge when they need to be cleaned. As we can see, our keg has run out, so it's a good opportunity to clean the line. So we're going to remove the lines from our keg. The grey tap is nitrogen in, the black tap coffee out. Okay, so essentially I've got our cleaning solution in here. So I've got water, our cold brew cleaning solution, and now it's pressurized, so it's under pressure, ready to go. I'm going to hook the nitrogen up to it. I'm also going to hook the out. Cool, and now we'll see, we're just going to be running a soapy water solution. And I want to really flush that out, so I'm going to run lots of water through just to really get that line flushing. So essentially we're just running a little bit of cleaning chemical through the line, which is just going to take any of the residual coffee that's built up in there. So I'm just going to run it through for maybe 30 seconds or so. Okay, and that's done. Okay, now that we've flushed it with our cleaning chemical, now we need to flush it with some just clean, plain, fresh water. So essentially this keg here is filled up with nothing, just clean water. Cool, and now we're just going to run a whole lot of clean water, as you can see, just nice and clean. Cool, so essentially the lines have now been flushed. Cool. Cool, and now that we've flushed it, we can get rid of these cleaning ones now, so I'm going to remove these, take them away, and then we're ready to rig up our coffee again. Okay, and I'm going to rig it up to this one right here, black. Cool, and that's all done now, so then we just do a test pour. Look at that, beautiful, nice, ice cold Brewsky.